Hello students, welcome back to English learning. In this lecture, I will explain you the paper style of grammar second unit test. I have given the exercise number as well as the page number of the exercises of the questions which will be asked in exam. So refer it carefully and do accordingly. Question number 1 will be exercise 3 of page number 71. Question number 2 will be exercise 1 page number 73. 3 will be exercise 1 78. 4 will be exercise 1 page number 79. Section B, exercise 1 page 71, exercise 1 page 82, exercise 3 page 85, exercise 2 page 84. Exercise 1 page 82, exercise 3 page 85, exercise 2 page 84. Section C will be exercise 1 to 5 from page number 98 to 101. Exercise 1 and 2 page number 89, 90, 91, and question number 11 will be chapter number 22 and 17 page number 76 and 87. Then section D, question number 12 will be diary writing, which I have already explained you. One diary writing will be given and you have to write that compulsory. Question number 13 will be essay writing. 2 topics will be given with points and you have to write on any one in about 150 words. So this is the paper style. Now diary writing I gave you. Let me explain you again. You recently embarked on your first ever aeroplane flight. Write a diary entry in 100 to 150 words about the experience. Here how you will write: date, time, then dear diary, comma, then you will write your experience regarding the diary regarding your experience. Whatever you are feeling you have to write. Diary is very confidential document, so be honest and do accordingly. Then let's come to the exercise. I have taken most of the exercises which are there in as serial number wise. Here question number 1, exercise 1 will be indirect object. Underline and circle the direct object. Indirect object means person and direct object means thing. You know what is object. Subject, object, verb आप पढ़े हैं ना, that is object. The teacher asked us to sing a song. Here us is person, so it is indirect object, so you will underline it. Underline us and circle the direct object. A song is direct object. I apologize to Rohan for my mistake. I apologize to Rohan for my mistake. The Rohan is indirect object and my mistake is direct object. Please give this book to him. Him is indirect object, this book is direct object. The leader proposed that we should follow his plan. Here only direct object is given, so you will circle it. She told me that the film was terrible. Me is indirect object and the film is direct object. Then underline the clauses and tell the kind of it. How will you identify the clause? Here, where she was going. See, whenever the conjunctions are given from there to the end of sentence, it is clause. Who, when, which, WH words, that, this will be given. So the whole sentence, the whole phrase will be the clause. The whole part of the sentence will be the clause. First sentence, I asked her where she was going. I asked her where she was going. So here where she was going is clause. First of all underline all clause. Second one, the sentence starts with that. Third one with when, so the whole sentence will be the clause. If he works hard, where he lives, when the cat is away, who helped themselves, where I was born, what she wants, he will pass this year, who saved your child's life when he was in Mumbai, which bit the child was mad. Here, which bit the child, only this much is clause, which bit the child. 14 number, who is to blame. 15 number, who is there that Jack built, who eat too much, whom we met yesterday, when he will come and when he will come. Okay, so these are clauses. Now which type of clauses they have, that you have to identify. I asked her where she was going. So here it is, if you ask question with what to the main clause, ask the question with what to the main clause and get the answer as subordinate clause, then it is noun clause. Here ask the question with what did I ask her, मैंने उससे क्या पूछा, where she was going, so it is noun clause. Second one also, he expected that he would win a prize. So what did he expect, that he would win a prize, is a noun clause. The boys went home when the school was over. Now you know the different types of adverb clauses. Adverb clause of time, place, manner, degree, okay, contrast, purpose, condition, these are the clauses. Here it shows time, when the school was over, so it is adverb clause. Fourth one, he will pass if he works hard. Here the clause starts with if, so it is adverb clause of condition. Okay. 5 number, no one knows where he lives. What does no one know, क्या नहीं जानते लोग, where he lives, so it is noun clause. The mice will play when the cat is away. The mice will play when the cat is away. Here when the cat is away is adverb clause. God helps those who help themselves. Now this is adjective clause. Which clause? Adjective clause. Why it is adjective clause? How you will identify adjective clause? So before the clause, if noun or pronoun is given and the clause describes the noun or pronoun, then it is an adjective clause. God helps those, किसे भगवान मदद करते हैं, जो अपनी मदद खुद करते हैं. God helps those who help themselves. तो here who help themselves describes those. ये जो clause है वो those को describe कर रहा है. That's why it is an adjective clause. 8 number, this is the house where I was born. ये वही घर है जहाँ मेरा जन्म हुआ था. तो here where I was born describes the house, so it is an adjective clause. Okay, adjective clause. You have to write the full adjective clause. Next one, I do not know what she wants. What do I not know? Noun clause. Answer mila what she wants, so it is noun clause. I think he will pass this year. What do I think? He will pass this year. So again it is noun clause. 11 number, this is the boy who saved your child's life. Okay, so here this clause describes the boy, so it is an adjective clause. Next one is, I met her when I was in Mumbai. When I was in Mumbai is an adverb clause. 13, which bit the child is an adjective clause because it describes the dog. वो dog को describe कर रहा है. 14 number, I know who is to blame. Who is to blame? Okay, ये है clause. अब वो क्या बता रहा है? What do I know? तो who is to blame? So it is noun clause. 15 number, I know the man who is there. I know the man who is there. Here who is there is an adjective clause because it describes the man. This is the house that Jack built. That Jack built is an adjective clause because the house is given before that. People who eat too much. People who eat too much is an adjective clause because it describes people. This is the beggar whom we met yesterday. Whom we met yesterday is a clause, and before that the beggar is given, and this clause describes the beggar, so it is an adjective clause. 19 number. I know when he will come. I know when he will come. It is noun clause. What do I know? When he will come. Okay, so noun clause. I know the time when he will come. Okay, here it is an adverb clause. What is the difference between these two? Here the time is given, so we will write adverb clause. The next exercise. Underline the adjective clause in the following sentences. यानी कि WS से स्टार्ट हुए हैं, that से स्टार्ट हुए हैं, वो हुए adjective clause. Who helped themselves, who stood in the examination, you want, where I was born, that climbs too high, who die in a great cause, that she lives in, that glitters, she asked for, where she lived, I can trust, I survey, he tells. Who laughs last, that is down. So these are the adjective clauses. Now underline the noun clause in each of the sentence and how it is used you have to write. There are different uses of noun clause, functions of noun clause like object of preposition, object of verb, subject of verb, complement of verb of incomplete predication, and in opposition to a noun or a pronoun. So here first sentence is given, there is no meaning in what she says. Here first of all underline the noun clause. What is the noun clause here? What she says. This is the noun clause. What she says, and before that in is given. So in is preposition, and after preposition it is given, so it is object of preposition. Second one, I do not know where you can find her. What is the noun clause here? Where you can find her. And before that verb is given, so it is object of verb because object is always used after the verb. Next one, it is not known who has stolen your book. Here also before that verb is given, so object of verb. That she should think so surprises me. Here before verb it is used, so it is subject of verb. Surprises है. Okay, तो surprises verb है. Verb से पहले यूज हुआ है, मतलब कि वो subject हुआ. Her fear is that the secret of her birth may be out. Her fear is that the secret of her birth. इतना है क्लॉज. उससे पहले क्या दिया है? is दिया है. ओके, तो वो इनकम्प्लीट है, तो कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ वर्ब विथ इनकम्प्लीट प्रेडिकेशन हुआ वो. That he loves her is known to all. That he loves her. This is before verb it is used, so it is subject of verb. I have no faith in what she says, so it is object of preposition. After in it is given, so it is object of preposition. Eight number, he asked me whether my father was at home. Whether my father was at home. It is used after the verb, so it is object of verb. I think you have made a mistake. Object of verb. Here also verb is given. After verb it is given, so it is object of verb. The truth is that we have been deceived. The truth is, this is incomplete. So this one is complement of verb of incomplete predication. The news that he has failed is untrue. तो साइड बाय साइड दिया है इन अपोजिशन टू अ नाउन. द न्यूज़ नाउन है तो इन अपोजिशन टू अ नाउन. दैट ही विल पास दिस ईयर इज अनसर्टेन. इज के पहले दिया है तो ये कॉम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ वर्ब ऑफ इनकम्प्लीट प्रेडिकेशन हुआ. ये नोट डाउन करना ज़रा, पहले वाली नोटबुक में भी चेक करना, शायद रॉन्ग लिखा होगा. Okay, after that you have to underline the adverb clause and write the kind of each adverb clause. पर्पस बता रहा है तो वो एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ पर्पस है. कंपैरिजन है तो वो डिग्री है, कंपैरिजन ऑफ डिग्री. देन इवन इफ है तो कॉन्ट्रास्ट है. दो ऑल द इवन इफ ये सब कॉन्ट्रास्ट दिखा रहे हैं. सो दैट है तो रिजल्ट है. इफ अनलेस है तो कंडीशन है. ओके, बिकॉज सिंस एज है तो रीज़न है. और पर्पस तो पता है सबको. ओके, सो वी वर्क दैट वी मे पास. तो व्हाट इज़ योर पर्पस इज योर. क्यों हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हो? क्योंकि तुम पास हो सको. सो दिस इज एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ पर्पस. ही इज़ वाइजर देन आई एम. कंपैरिजन इज देयर, सो कंपैरिजन ऑफ डिग्री. इवन इफ इट रेन्स आई शैल कम. ओके, कॉन्ट्रास्ट है. बारिश होती है तो हम लोग घर में रहते हैं, but even if it rains I shall come, so it is contrast. Though she is rich she is not happy. Though she is rich, okay, contrast है. rich होने के बाद भी वो happy नहीं है. Although he failed he was promoted. fail होने के बाद भी उसे promote किया गया. so again contrast है. 6 number, so good a woman is she that all respect her. so good a woman is she. ओके, वो इतनी अच्छी है कि सब उसका रिस्पेक्ट करते. तो रिज़ल्ट, ओके, रिज़ल्ट क्या है उसका कि वो सब उसे रिस्पेक्ट देते हैं. 7 नंबर, ही टॉक्ड इन सच अ वे दैट ऑल फॉलोड हिम. देयर हियर ऑल्सो इट इज़ रिजल्ट, एडवर्ब क्लॉज ऑफ रिजल्ट. इफ़ यू हैव टीयर्स प्रिपेयर टू शेड देम नाउ. कंडीशन है. इफ़ आया तो कंडीशन, अनलेस आया तो कंडीशन, वेदर आया तो कंडीशन. ओके, दैट यू हैड पास्ड तो रीज़न है यहाँ पर. उसके खुश होने का क्या रीज़न है? दैट यू हैव पास्ड. बिकॉज आई लाइक हर आई शैल हेल्प हर. बिकॉज आई लाइक हर, सो रीज़न. सिंस है तो रीज़न. सिंस यू आर इंटेलिजेंट, रीज़न. एज ही वॉज इल, रीज़न. एज है, सिंस है, बिकॉज है, दैट है, ये सब रीज़न में आएंगे. They worked hard that they might pass the examination. Here that suggests the purpose. So it is adverb clause of purpose. Then here also you have to combine the sentences using that, which, who. ये words use करके और sentences को combine करना है. This was my decision that I regret to this day. My daughter has completed one course of antibiotics which has not helped her at all. The police interrogated the servant my daughter had identified. Full stop. This is the diamond necklace, comma, which my wife wants. Cancel it. Mr. Gupta is our social science teacher who can hold us spellbound with his stories. Because person is there, so who is used for person, which is for thing, that is also for thing and person. Okay, next one, this is the pen which I lost last week. The Beastly Tales is written by Vikram Seth, which is one of my favorite books. She is the girl that I went to her house yesterday. I talked to the Home Minister about their case, who promised to take serious action. Person की बात है तो who. I gave you a big loan last year. What have you done with it? So, what have you done with the big loan I gave you last year? Then conjunctions, whatever the sentence is, and is used for similarity. Similarity or series of ideas, similar ideas और actions. ओके जो एक के बाद दूसरी एक्शन होती है उसके लिए एंड यूज़ होता है. एज वेल एज यानी उतना ही. ओके यानी मोस्टली एंड के मीनिंग में आता है टॉम एंड पीटर पास्ट, टॉम एज वेल एज पीटर पास्ट, शैला एज वेल एज लिली वॉज टू ब्लेम. इस तरह से आपको एज वेल एज से भी करना है. नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो का मीनिंग है सिर्फ यही नहीं वो भी. ओके नॉट ओनली बट ऑल्सो. और हैं वो दो ऑप्शंस के बीच में चॉइस बता रहा है. और सजेस्ट द चॉइस, और सजेस्ट द चॉइस बिटवीन द ऑप्शंस. देन ईदर और, बिफोर वन ऑब्जेक्ट वन option you will use either, before the next option you will use or. It means there will be two options in either or, neither nor. Neither nor is the negative form of either or. By using the conjunction as or otherwise, as is formal and otherwise is informal. Understood? Otherwise is informal. Now join the sentences into single one. But यूज़ करना है जब कॉन्ट्राडिक्शन है तब. दो ऑल्दो इंटरचेंजेबल है. अगर दो की जगह पर ऑल्दो लिखोगे, ऑल्दो की जगह पर दो लिखोगे, देन ऑल्सो इट्स राइट. ओके और स्टिल है वो नेगेटिव फॉर्म में जाता है कि अभी तक ये नहीं किया, और यट है वो ऐसा अभी तक ये ऐसा ही है. ओके देयरफॉर सो में भी ऐसा है. सो है वो इनफॉर्मल है. सो इज़ इनफॉर्मल एंड देयरफॉर इज़ फॉर्मल. अंडरस्टूड? देन which sentences are compound or complex? Here one correction is there. By mistake it is written over here simple, but it is not simple, it is complex. What it is? Complex. Okay so make this change. 10 number is complex sentence. So just note down the answers. गॉड हेल्प्स दोज हु हेल्प देमसेल्व्स. तो यहाँ पर कॉम्प्लेक्स है. कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस है ना वो फैन बॉयज से कनेक्ट होंगे. यानी कि जो भी दोनों क्लॉज हैं वो इंडिपेंडेंट क्लॉजेस होंगे और फैन बॉयज से कनेक्टेड होंगे. डू यू नो व्हाट इज़ फैन बॉयज? एफ फॉर ए एंड नॉर, बी बट, ओ और, वाई यट, एस सो. दिस आर द कंजंक्शंस यूज्ड फॉर कंपाउंड सेंटेंसेस. और जिसमें नहीं है ये कंजंक्शंस वो कॉम्प्लेक्स सेंटेंसेस हैं. देन डू एज डायरेक्टेड में इनमें से कुछ आएगा. ओके यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ मतलब जो हमेशा राइट है. इफ़ आई विन अ लॉटरी आई विल बाय अ न्यू हाउस. तो ये इम्प्रॉबेबल है. इम्प्रॉबेबल मतलब कि जो तय नहीं है होगा कि नहीं होगा. ओके If I were a ghost, I will scare people. It is also improbable as per your grammar. Otherwise, imaginary भी है ये. If you had asked me to do it, I would done it. तो ये imaginary है. And if I find anything wrong, I shall inform you. Probable है. ओके तो ये सारी चीज़ें हैं आपके पेपर स्टाइल में और आपको ये सब कवर भी करनी है. डायरी राइटिंग का फॉर्मेट जो भी है आप इस तरह से लिखोगे. टाइम लिखना है. जनरल सी बात ये है कि डायरी है वो मोस्टली रात को ही लिखी जाती है. ओके सो टाइम हियर यू हैव टू राइट ऑफ नाइट. अंडरस्टूड? सो दैट्स ऑल फॉर दिस लेक्चर. ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर एग्जाम्स. डू वेरी वेल. फॉलो द पंक्चुएशन रूल्स. डोंट मेक स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स and be confident, everything is provided, everything is there in Pocket Study, everything is provided to you. And if you want to refer, I can upload this one also, so it will be easy for you. So we will meet next time in next lecture. Till then, bye.